Eat eggplant for 30 days and you won't believe what happened. Eggplant amazing nutrition and benefits. Eggplant, also known as aubergine, is a versatile and nutrient-dense vegetable that offers numerous health benefits. This vibrant purple vegetable is not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. Let's explore the various health benefits of incorporating eggplant into your diet. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Abundant in antioxidants. Eggplant is a rich source of antioxidants, including polyphenol such as phenolic acids and flavonoids. These compounds can help mitigate cellular damage in the body. The purple coloration of eggplants comes from anthocyanins, which are pigments with antioxidant properties. These have been associated with reduced inflammation and a lower risk of obesity. Number 2. Potential cognitive benefits. Nasunin, another antioxidant found in eggplant, may protect cells from damage that can contribute to early aging and illness. It has been shown to decrease brain inflammation and enhance blood circulation and nerve communication at synapses. As a result, eggplant may play a significant role in safeguarding against neurodegenerative conditions, like Alzheimer's disease. Number 3. Heart health benefits. Anthocyanins in eggplants may contribute to cardiovascular well-being. These compounds help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is considered harmful. This process can slow down the hardening of arteries, potentially reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Number 4. Aiding in weight control. Eggplant can be a valuable addition to low-carbohydrate diets, and they are often effective for weight loss. As a non-starchy vegetable, eggplant contains relatively few carbohydrates. A 1-cup serving, approximately the size of a baseball, provides just under 5 grams of carbs. Eggplants also contain fiber, which helps manage blood sugar and insulin levels. Fiber promotes a feeling of fullness, which can assist in weight management efforts. Number 5. Visual health benefits. Eggplants contain antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. Lutein is particularly important, as it may help prevent age-related macular degeneration, a condition that can cause vision loss in older individuals. Number 6. Metabolic support. Eggplants are a source of manganese, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in metabolism. This mineral aids in the breakdown of carbohydrates and fats, which the body uses for energy. Manganese is necessary for producing enzymes that facilitate this process. Additionally, this mineral contributes to the production of antioxidants, which help protect against excessive levels of reactive oxygen species in the body. Number 7. Fights against long-term illnesses. The antioxidant properties of eggplants help counter oxidation, a process that can be detrimental to one's health, and is associated with various ailments, including cancer. Research has shown that eggplants can safeguard against DNA harm and alterations, potentially slowing cancer progression. The antioxidants found in eggplants, primarily from phenolic compounds, have the ability to neutralize free radicals. This action inhibits urethane-induced mutations and helps protect lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell crucial for immune system regulation. Well, that is all about the health benefits of eggplant. However, here are some frequently asked questions about eggplant. Let's check it out. Question 1. Is eggplant a fruit or a vegetable? Botanically, eggplant is classified as a fruit because it contains seeds and develops from the flowering part of the plant. However, it is commonly treated as a vegetable in culinary contexts. Question 2. Do I need to peel the eggplant before cooking? The skin of an eggplant is edible, and whether to peel it depends on the recipe and personal preference. Younger, smaller eggplants usually have tender skin, while older or larger ones may have tougher skin that some people prefer to peel. Question 3. Can I eat eggplant raw? While eggplant can technically be eaten raw, it is typically cooked to improve its flavor and texture. Raw eggplant may be bitter and spongy. Question 4. Is eggplant good for skin? Eggplants contain vitamin C, which aids in protecting our skin and body from oxidative stress. This vitamin also helps prevent various signs of aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Question 5. When not to use eggplant. If an eggplant feels soft when touched, it may be starting to go bad. Additionally, if the eggplant's flesh appears slimy, it's best to discard it. Question 6. Can I eat eggplant at night? Similar to tomatoes, eggplants have high levels of tyramine, an amino acid that increases norepinephrine levels. This substance acts as a stimulant, keeping the body alert. For this reason, experts suggest avoiding eggplant in evening meals. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.